Okay, this is a real quick video, and this is a desk fan. And nothing happens, but I can hear a humming. Let me just see if I can get this next to the camera, to the microphone. You might have heard that humming. Right, so that's the first thing. Your analysis is based on what happens and what your ears are telling you. So I'm just going to switch that off for the moment. Now I know that these motors are the type that can handle being stuck, as it were. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip these little catches, and there's another one there, and that comes off. Okay, so plug this in, and it feels really doesn't want to spin. Still doesn't want to spin even with the power off. Okay, now at this point quite a lot of people would just throw this away, and it's actually more work to go to throw it away and then order another one and then wait for it to arrive than to fix it. So on this one, at the back here there's a screw. Sometimes it'll have a little cover over it and you've just got to flip it off. Right. Now, for some people won't know that there are two different sizes of screwdriver or formats of screwdriver, and we're just going to go into that now just to make sure. There we've got the flat type, and we've got the Phillips posi type, which is like a star shape, and the screw in the end is a star shape. And some of these have got a little twiddler here which puts into gear the fan, so it moves around. Well, some of them just pull off, and the other ones, on the knob there's a little plastic cover. You flip the plastic cover over, undo the screw, and then pull the knob off. Okay, this is for technophobes. This is not really something to be frightened of. It is unplugged. You put the screwdriver in there, and what am I doing wrong? I'm tightening it up, right? And this is something I see frequently. Untighten it, yeah? Undo it. Lefty loosey, lefty loosey, yeah? Okay, so let's just zoom down. Zoom down on the motor. It's an open cage motor, okay, and the motor has got little bronze bushes there and there. Yeah. So what we're going to do is just dribble a bit of oil down there. There are oil-like bushes in there. That's freeing off now. Can you see that? So the oil-like bushes, they're a sintered bronze, which means that it is bronze particles that have been crushed together, pressed together. And even when they do that, there are little holes within the material, and those holes hold oil. Great, right? But eventually it dries up. Yeah. So let's just assume at this point you've gone down and put this in the bin, and you're walking back, right? And you're about to go online to order another one. Well, it's working now. Contact. Yeah. And we'll just stop it. There we go. Okay, there's another 1 minute to put the back on, and to put the enclosure on. But it's fixed and you've not wasted resources. Okay, hopefully you've enjoyed this. Please comment and subscribe. Lots of comments, yeah, criticisms, concerns, joy, yeah, delightfulness, all those things. And I will catch up with you soon. Cheers for now.